Alright, so I'm trying to start the engine. That's the throttle all the way closed. This is about a third up from what I can tell. Mower's on. I've checked to make sure that we're getting fuel. Turning the remote on. There we go. Alright, I'm going to spin it over. Try a little less throttle. Just tried to fire there. A little bit less. Damn it. Got less in there somewhere. Alright. Less throttle. Okay, that's not doing anything. Back up a little bit. Nothing. Try full throttle. That's got nothing. Wants to fire there. Oh, battery's starting to die. I don't know. I don't know. I can't get this thing to start.